Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to a new video on if function of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. So today we are going to learn how to use the if function with a different kind of combination of not function and or function. To learn about the combination as well as the formula briefly, please watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software as usual. That means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. To save time, let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a data file like this, and friends, if you want to do something specific when a cell is not this or that, like example not equal to x or y, etc., you can easily use the if function in combination with the not and or function to run a test. Then take one action if the result is true and optionally do something else if the result of the test is false. So in this example shown, we simply want to mark or flag records where the color is not either red or green. In the other words, we want to check cells in column B and then take action if they contain a value other than the red or green. So in D6 cell number, the formula we have to type like this. Look at here carefully friends. We have to type the formula like this, equals to if. Obviously we are going to use the if function. Then you have to open the first bracket. Then in the logical test you have to apply the trick like this one, like here shown. So the formula here will be applied not. After that, open again the first bracket, then write or. Please check carefully friends, the formula is little bit complicated here. Then it is asking for logical 1, logical 2 set of series. Here you have to select the cell number you want to test, or you can simply write it down here as B6, then put a equals to symbol, then open the double inverted comma, type red here. Note carefully, in this criteria this text is not case sensitive. After typing red here, put a comma, then again select or type the cell number, same cell number, then again put a equation symbol, then we are going to write green in double inverted comma, then close the double inverted comma, then close the first bracket. Look at here, it is purple, that means it has been closed this bracket. After that we have to close another bracket, then we have to complete the if function here. Now basically this one contains the logical test, then put a comma here, then we have to type the value if true. That means if this cell does not contain red or does not contains green, then what the result should be, and we will simply type the result in the double inverted comma like X. then close the double inverted comma. That means this one will be showed when the cell does not contains either red or green. Then you have to put a comma here and simply add a empty string as the value if false. This will return nothing if the value is false. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, this is red, so here is shown as nothing. And if you copy the formula from upside down here, where it does not contains red or green as we mentioned in our formula, it has been returned as X. In this case it is also marked as X. So let's check. If we type another color in this cell, then it will be marked as X. So let's check how this formula actually works. This snippet will return true if the value in B6 or B7 or any of the cell in this column is not red or not green, and false if not. Since we want to flag items that pass our test, we need to take an action when the result is true, that is X. In this case we do that by adding X to column D, this one. If the test is false, we simply add an empty string, this called an empty strings. This causes an X to appear in column D when the value in column B is either red or green, and nothing to appear if not. You can extend the OR function to check additional conditions as needed, and if we don't add the empty strings when false, the formula would actually display false whenever the color is not red. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video and learned a new combination of if function in Microsoft Excel. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends who wants to learn Microsoft Excel from the beginning level. Share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.